Spring and summer warm weather is here, and this is about the time of year where many of us start thinking about freshening up our look and changing our hair color. Lightening things up, maybe trying a blonde balayage or just getting highlights. But you also may be hesitant to bleach your hair because you don't want that type of hair damage. And although you are damaging your hair to a degree, it's still possible to have beautiful, soft, shiny blonde hair if you know how to properly care for it after your bleaching appointment. Oftentimes we go to our typical everyday stylist who may be great at blowouts and cuts, but isn't exactly well versed in blonding hair. I made this mistake and didn't go to a blonde specialist. But I can still come back from it, and if you're in the same situation, I can help you come back from it. It's not too late unless your hair is so severely processed and damaged to no return. But most of the time, we can still get back to a beautiful color that's healthy. But your everyday stylist will bleach your hair, try to sell you a purple shampoo and conditioner, and send you on your way with zero education about what your hair just went through and how to care for it. Today I'm sharing all the tips and product recommendations that I received from my new blonde specialist because I don't want you to make the same mistakes I did, and really this is information that every hairdresser should be sharing with their clients if they're bleaching them. Knowledge is power, and I want you guys to feel empowered when caring for your new blonde hair rather than feeling like a victim of dry, brittle, damaged hair like I did. Education is everything. For reference, my hair is bleached from 2 months ago from a everyday hairstylist who doesn't really know a lot about blonde. I have 3 different shades of blonde in here, including some brassy oranginess. After this consultation, I am going to be visiting my new blonde specialist in about 3 more weeks because I'm not touching my hair for a total of 8 weeks since my last appointment. We're giving it a chance to heal and recover, and then we're gonna do something beautiful. I am gonna vlog that experience and give you guys an updated video on how it goes and what my hair looks like afterwards. All right, so you just went to the salon and you got your hair bleached. What should you do next? Well, your stylist is likely going to try to sell you the entire line of Olaplex, which is not necessary, or a purple shampoo and conditioner and send you on your way. Kindly decline everything. Thank him or her for their services, tip them, and go on your way. Don't buy anything there because the prices in salons are marked up significantly, and honestly, you just don't need them. Not all of them anyway. What you do need is a quality, professional grade shampoo and conditioner for your new hair that you just invested probably hundreds of dollars in. The last thing that you're gonna wanna do is run to the drugstore and pick up some sort of cheap shampoo and conditioner. And I know several women are going to disagree with me on this and say that their hair is healthy and shiny and they use drugstore shampoo and conditioner. But the reality is shiny hair doesn't equate to having healthy hair, especially from using brands that cut corners in quality and sell cheap products. You will never find a professional hairdresser using drugstore brand shampoo and conditioner on your hair. It just doesn't happen. So what brand of shampoo and conditioner should you be using? Redken, Pureology, Olaplex if you have coarse, thick hair. A lot of times people with medium or fine hair will say that Olaplex shampoo and conditioner is too heavy on the hair. It weighs it down and can look greasy. I currently use K18, which repairs both keratin chains and sulfur bonds in the hair, whereas Olaplex only repairs those sulfur bonds, so that's the difference. This is what they look like. I'm gonna have all the products that I'm recommending or that were recommended to me in the description below. I think the shampoo and conditioner is quite affordable. It's lightweight on my medium hair and it smells really good. It has like a citrusy smell to it. The shampoo is like a detox almost because it makes your hair very clean at the roots. You don't need very much. It lathers really well. You get great volume afterwards, and it's the biomimetic hair science damage shield pH protective shampoo and conditioner. This stuff is supposed to be really good. I've only been using it for a couple of weeks, so I want to make sure that I use it for a couple of months before I give you guys a full review on this. I want to share this basic tip with you guys that when you're shampooing your hair, you only want to focus shampooing your scalp and your roots only. You don't want to be putting shampoo on your mids or your ends. This is what causes dry, brittle, frizzy hair. If you're somebody who has very fine hair that gets oily and you have to wash it every day, if you're somebody who's extremely active and the mid part of your hair gets very greasy and oily, sweaty noticeably, then bring that lather down to your mids, but never your ends. Most people should only be washing the roots and the crown area of their hair. That's where the oil buildup is, the greasiness, the dirtiness. Even though this is very basic, I didn't know, and maybe someone out there doesn't know. So I hope that helps you if you're one of those people. It has really helped me. After you buy your professional shampoo and conditioner, you're gonna wanna purchase the Olaplex 3 or number 6. Both are very good. You don't need to buy the entire line. Both 3 and 6 are recommended by blonde specialists. Whichever one you wanna get is good. The reason why you want to use this treatment is because when you bleached your hair, you opened up the outer layer of that hair and bleached the color out of it in order to go blonde. In doing so, you've caused holes to be put in that outer layer of your hair, and this is an extremely traumatic process for your hair. Although it's not fully repairable, you can still heal your hair to a noticeable degree by using this treatment. The holes that you now have make it extremely difficult for your hair to hold on to moisture, which is why your hair is dry. So you need this treatment to reduce those holes, shrink them so that your hair can start to maintain moisture. And if you've never used this product before, all you have to do is wet your hair, put a good amount like you would a typical conditioner, coat your hair in it, allow it to sit for 10 minutes, and then you rinse it out, shampoo, and then deep condition. And we'll get to that, but it smells really nice. You'll use it about one or two times a week. I think it's just once a week, and you're gonna see a difference in a couple of weeks. It's an excellent product. Next, you'll need a high quality hair mask that you're gonna use 1 to 2 days a week. This step is very important. Do not think that a regular conditioner is going to have the same effect as a deep conditioner. I love the Moroccan oil. I think it's called weightless hydration something mask. It's so perfect for medium or fine hair because, like it says, it doesn't weigh down your roots so that you get plenty of volume afterwards, but you get that deep, rich hydration that your hair is craving. There are several good ones on the market. Just find the right one for your hair type. Then you're gonna need a purple product. Earlier I said don't get the purple shampoo and conditioner, and that's because 2-in-1 products don't work very well. You wouldn't buy the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner to put onto your hair because it's not going to cleanse your roots well enough, and it's not gonna hydrate your hair well enough as a conditioner part. They just don't work. You need the purple product to prevent that brassy orange kind of blonde that doesn't look very good, that I definitely have going on at the moment. The best purple product to use is a purple mask. This is Redken Blondage Express Anti-Brass Mask. I got mine from Ulta. It's very affordable. It's cheaper than buying the shampoo and the conditioner. You're only buying one product, and it's very hydrating. The way that you use this is you would shampoo like normal. Use your purple mask. You're gonna leave it on 5 to 10 minutes depending on the neutralization. 5 minutes for subtle neutralization, 10 minutes for maximum neutralization. Then you rinse it and you're gonna use a regular conditioner. I wash my hair twice a week. One wash day, I'm gonna do my shampoo and conditioner with my purple mask. And the next time I will use my Olaplex treatment, shampoo, then condition. So you could use all the products at the same time if you want to, but I find that it's easier to break it up like this, where I'm using everything that I need to every week. Now, after your shower routine, there are 2 products that are an absolute must for having the perfect blonde hair. And that is using a leave-in conditioner and a hair oil. But they are not all created equally, and if you don't use them correctly, you're gonna end up looking greasy and having dirty hair within 2 days. So this is how you use them correctly. So you come out of the shower, you will gently towel dry your hair with a microfiber towel. You're gonna wanna use a quality leave-in conditioner. I love the Pureology Color Fanatic 21 Essential Benefits. The key here is you don't wanna put too much leave-in conditioner in your hair. I have drier hair, it's naturally curly, so my hair was definitely weighed down. All you need is 8 to 10 sprays for medium length hair. If you have shorter hair, a few less, longer hair, a few more. And you don't want to be spraying this on your crown area or on your roots. Again, heavy and weighed down. You're only going to want to put it on your mids and your ends. Brush it through evenly. Remember that less is more when it comes to hair care products. Now this is the kicker, you guys. Your ends require hair oil. I was always afraid to use oil because I thought, why would I use a hair oil? I just got out of the shower. I don't want to grease it up. But when you use them properly, your hair has a gorgeous luster to it and it looks healthy and vibrant and clean. Doesn't look greasy at all. A lot of people think that coconut oil is great for your hair because it ends up feeling soft and shiny when using it, but the molecules in coconut oil are way too large to penetrate the hair. What you need is an argan oil, which has small molecules that can penetrate inside your hair, healing it. I love both the K18 oil and the Olaplex number 7. The K18 is very expensive. I think it was like around $65 or more. I loved the shampoo and conditioner so much I wanted to try the oil. You get a lot of product. You only need like 2 or 3 drops, the directions say. So it's gonna last a long time. You can buy the Olaplex number 7. I actually don't know how much this is. Maybe it's the same price. I don't know. But these are both 1 ounce. You get the same amount. This one just looks bigger. You only want to use 2 to 3 drops, and then you're gonna mix it around in your hands, apply it only on your ends and not just on the outside of your hair. You're gonna want to pick your hair up and put it all over your hair so it all gets a nice light coating, and then whatever's left on your hands, you'll work it up on your mids. You're not gonna want to put any on your crown or your roots, mids and ends only. This prevents breakage. If you're somebody who says, my hair never grows past this point or this point, however long, it stops growing, but you see that you have roots from color, like your hair is growing out, whether it's your natural gray or dyeing your hair, that's evidence that your hair is growing, but it's not getting longer because it's breaking off. You want to make sure the ends stay hydrated. That oil is going to seal in moisture. So most of it going on the ends, some of it going on the mids, because in order to have healthy ends, you have to have healthy mids. And that's why we put oil on both. Remember, the argan oil gives your hair resilience and gives it strength. So don't be afraid to use it every day. You wake up in the morning, you gently brush through your hair, 1 or 2 drops, ends, good to go. It will make your hair look refreshed and renewed and like you just got it done. I was so surprised when I tried this and I've been loving the results. You're gonna see a big difference after using these oils, and also Unite and the brand Redken have really good high quality argan oils. If you're gonna use a heat tool, you're gonna wanna use a heat protectant. And I love the Redken quick blowout when I blow dry my hair. I use the Dyson, so it's like a round brush blow dryer, right? Lastly, you wanna make sure that you stay ahead of breakage. That is a huge key factor in growing your hair, but also just having healthy hair overall. Staying ahead of breakage means getting your regular trims about every 8 weeks. When my stylist would tell me after a haircut, all right, can I get you scheduled for the next 8 weeks? I always said no, I'll call when I'm ready and I'll come in, 4 or 5 months later. When I say a trim, I just mean 1/4 of an inch. Getting rid of that breakage so it doesn't continue to creep up, and your hair is gonna look better, feel better, and it's gonna get longer faster. And you don't really believe it until you actually try it and you're like, you were right. It's like you do this for a living or something, Especially if you're somebody who feels like they can't get their hair to grow past a certain point, you're gonna love the results. I hope this video helps you guys obtain that gorgeous, blonde, Pinterest-worthy hair that you deserve. There's a lot of crazy information out there. There's a lot of products being thrown at you. There's a lot of influencers telling you, oh, I swear by this product and that product. But when it comes to what do I really need, what really makes a difference, listen to a specialist. They went to school for this, they studied it, they've practiced, they've used trial and error for years, and they know what they're talking about. Especially if you find a great salon and you see their portfolio and the great results and the great reviews, listen to them. Don't listen to all the craziness that we hear out in the world all the time, because sometimes it can just be confusing or just wrong information. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be giving you an update of my new blonde, beautiful hair next month. And until then, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.